I would say Thermomix is building relationships.
I just can't describe Thermomix in one word. I would rather use 3 words actually, which is passion, smartness, and real usefulness.
I would just call it Thermomix, which means heating, mixing at the same time. I joined Vorwerk France in 1963 as head of sales, and I had to do with the blender at the time. We used it mostly to make soups. As a sales manager, I was thrilled to go out with the salespeople and to learn from their work how we can improve this relation with the customer. I went out with a new advisor in Paris. He had to heat water in order to make the soup. He had to put down a pot from a shelf. The whole thing almost fell down with a lot of noise. And finally, he forgot the matches and he couldn't make the hot water in this pot. Fortunately, the customer could help it, but it was a real clumsy ceremony at the time. This was the birth of the Thermomix.
I think TM5 was a major breakthrough. It had an entirely new product design with innovative new features like the new guided cooking concept. And all this was really revolutionary back then, and it took a group of brilliant minds to make it come true. And also the TM6 device was improved a lot with new features like higher temperature and outstanding quality.
The actual Thermomix, which we sell now, is so fantastic. And I'm very happy to see that I left a footprint in the company.
I think the community is the most powerful USP we have in this company, because around this great product we have a great community of customers, of advisors, of representatives, and the interaction they have with each other. I think this is something which makes us really special.
The success of the Thermomix is thanks to the advisors' work.
If we see the history, if we see 50 years Thermomix, first of all, I'm really proud to be part of this community. And second, I really want to thank everybody who is part of this unbelievable success.
I knew that the Thermomix will be successful, but I did not expect the success as they had now. That was beyond my thinking.